Hello, my name's Andrew from Word of Mouth Technology, and today I've got a brief video to show you about our Domino Pro product. So Domino Pro is a wireless communication device from Bellman and Symfon, and really offers some great advantages for the user that allow them to improve listening in noise in particular, or where people you want to listen to are further away. So people who might use a Domino Pro product are people who wear hearing aids, or perhaps even people that don't wear hearing aids but still require some assistance listening in certain scenarios. So this is the actual product itself. It comes in a neat little travel case. Inside this case, the main components are the transmitter and the receiver. So the wireless transmitter or wireless microphone is what you would place on the table or give to the person at the front of the room, and the receiver is what you as the user would wear. So with this receiver we can use it with an inductive neck loop, which is pictured here. You would wear that around your neck if you have hearing aids that are fitted with a telecoil program, or for people who don't wear hearing aids or don't have a telecoil, you can use headphones or earbuds or any other type of headphone accessory with a standard 3.5mm plug. So for the purpose of today's quick demo, I'm going to show you just using it with the neck loop. So we plug the neck loop into the receiver. We simply wear this neck loop around our neck, and when we're wearing hearing aids, we switch them over to that telecoil program. So what that means is that we are reducing the microphone sensitivity here, and we're hearing more from our wireless device. That's the key advantage we have when using an FM system, because hearing aids or even some speech processors or cochlear implants, we find that with the microphone by itself, they're good, but they have a lot of trouble managing in noise, particularly when you want to listen to one person in a room that's full of people who are talking at the same time. So an FM system like this is going to help you overcome a lot of those problems. So we simply turn on the transmitter, press and hold this button at the front of it. There's a green light that indicates that it's turned on, and we place it on the table. With the receiver we do the same thing. So I press and hold the button until the green light comes on. I can then choose to either listen to the radio frequency microphone or the local microphone, and that's represented by two buttons on the device, RF and mic. So for now I'm going to press RF. I'm now listening to the wireless microphone, and if there were people around the table here, I'd be able to hear what they're saying because their voices are coming through this transmitter here, into the receiver, through the neck loop and into my hearing aids. So really effective at helping me to cut out all the noise behind me that I don't want to hear, and hear what I want to hear in front, which is important. If I was in a lecture situation, I'd give this transmitter to the person speaking at the front of the room, or I can put it onto the lectern. It'll have an operating range of up to 50 metres in an open environment. It works on a 2.4 GHz platform, so it's DEC technology, which means that it's not prone to any of the interference issues that some analog FM systems might be, and it really means that it's very secure, so it's pretty much impossible for anyone else to hear this signal unless you've got a paired receiver. So transmitter operating, receiver operating, working with my hearing aids on the telecoil program. One neat little feature of the Domino Pro is that I'm able to change the pattern of that wireless microphone from the receiver. So if I decide that the situation's changed, there's more background noise, I press this RF button, and what it does is it changes the pattern of that microphone from an omnidirectional pattern, where it's picking up sound from basically a 360-degree pattern, to just a directional setting. So it's picking up the sound of the person just in front. So if it's myself and another person sitting at a table in a very noisy cafe, Domino here on the directional program really helps to just hear what that person's saying and cut out all that background noise. Another handy feature is the local microphone. So there's actually a microphone built into the receiver. So if I wanted to talk to the person next to me, I can press the button marked mic and talk to the person next to me. Really effective. And when I want to talk to the wireless microphone again, press RF. We can even make both of those microphones work at the same time, which makes it fantastic for people working in a professional situation where you've got meetings where there's perhaps 6 or 8 people around a table. We're able to have 2 microphones operating, and we can switch between them. So you've got a lot of control over the listening environment, which really helps you to have the best chance of getting a good outcome of hearing much more of what's happening in those meetings. So Domino Pro as a device is $1,295. A lot less than a lot of hearing aids cost, and some might say gives them a really good outcome when they're using it in conjunction with their hearing aids. So if you haven't tried an FM system, take the opportunity to do so. You can find out more on our website at wom.com.au, and you can also send us an email from there. So I hope to hear from you soon, and we'll see you again. Thank you. Bye for now.